Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials. Pick a mic matched to your room, then set your audio interface to 48K HC and 24-bit so files are broadcast friendly. Once done, set preamp gain to leave about 6 dB of headroom. Do not peak at 0 dBFS. Record a 30-second test clip and listen on closed-back headphones. This confirms mic position, plosives, and room tone. Make quick adjustments now, because getting clean raw audio saves hours later. You move into editing with a clear workflow. Remove silence and apply gentle noise reduction so you keep natural ambience. Next, use EQ, a high pass at 80 Hz, reduce 200-500 Hz muddiness, and add a small presence boost around 3 to 5 kHz so the voice cuts through. Then compress with a 2:1:4:1 ratio, short attack, musical release, aim for 3-6 dB of gain reduction. Finally, balance levels and align audio to the video timeline. You finalize by exporting at native settings, 48K HC and 24-bit WAV for best fidelity, or 256-320 kbps MP3 for smaller size. Normalize or adjust master to around -14 LUFS, integrated so YouTube loudness processing behaves predictably. Then import into your video editor, confirm a /v sync, and render with consistent bitrate. If you hear distortion or the track is too quiet on upload, revisit gain staging and re-render at the original sample rate. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.